come out of this car. You think I don't know what you've been doing? Huh? Please, I want to know my place in this relationship. Come out of this car.
What is your problem? Huh?
Okay.
K4, why are you stressing me? What is your problem?
Not what is the problem? I've been texting you, calling you, you're not picking up. What's happening? For 6 months we've been dating. I don't even know why I stand in this relationship.
Now I've told you this thing so many times. I cannot marry you. There's no way I can marry you. I want to marry girls between the age of 18 to 23. That is it.
Oh, so you're looking for all those small girls to control and manipulate, eh? How wicked can you be?
Control me. Is that what you are saying? Do you remember back in the days when I wanted to date you? Do you remember? You left me. You follow one brother when they drive Corolla. You said you want somebody that is established, somebody that is doing well. Please, don't leave me.
See, I care about you. I love you. But this can't work.
Okay.
I need a man that is doing well for themselves, someone that can take care of me. But you have nothing to your name. Besides, you're even living with your parents.
Baby, give me small time.
Listen, our age is almost the same. You have nothing to offer me. I can't do this.
Baby, please, no. Baby, please. I will make it. You are jumping from one car to another. From one big God to another.
God forbid.
Now that we are established now, you want to make me your retirement plan.
God forbid.
Why are you bringing all this now? I was being childish, but now I'm more mature. You know it.
You will be say your thoughts or don't do me. You will not sabi twerk. You go cry, you go cry.
That was in the past.
You know what make I enjoy my life, Abi? Come on, carry this away, come up for road. Carry this way, come up for road. I go jam now.
Oh my!
No try block me again. No.
Who said I can't wait?
Yeah, what? Take it, sir.